everyone, I'm sbyil. Welcome to my video. Today, we are not just talking theory, we are getting up close with the SEM 3110F wide body dump truck. Let's go! Let's start with its most powerful feature, the powertrain system. The 3110F equipped with Weichai 765 horsepower engine and dedicated manual transmission for mining. This combination delivers high output torque and exceptional gradeability. Even fully loaded on steep incline, it's powerful effortless. Take a look at this cargo body. Diamond-shaped cargo body. This design increased volume by 4% compared to traditional body, shifting the vehicle's barycenter forward to enhance productivity. Optimize suspension layout, lower landing height, improving load efficiency while maintaining the sidewall height. Since it's just powerful, it's also a master at saving your money. The 3110F meets Tier 3 emission standards, and it requires no after-treatment system. That alone slashes maintenance costs significantly. And your stage desert air filters reduce insect resistance, extends replacement intervals by 50%, and reduce routine maintenance costs. Finally, let's step in the cab. The instrument panel features a large LCD screen that displays comprehensive vehicle operating data intuitively. It includes Ford code display, query interface, and audible fault alarms. So, if you are looking for a wide body dump truck that delivers on efficiency, cost saving, and comfort, the SEM 3110F is definitely worth your serious consideration. If you are interested in the machine, please feel free to contact us. Goodbye!